Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imoro, and on this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be showing you a cool way to make money online, and people are doing it. I'll even give you proof, and you can do it. And don't forget to click the like button right now. So let's jump into the video. So when we come to Google and make search for youtube.com, so just click this link, and then we click this link. You see a bunch of people, bunch of video. You just go to trending, see what is trending. So what is trending? This particular video is actually the one trending in Ghana right now. So let's let's click it, or maybe I just want to copy the name or something like that. So I'll copy this name, Semiflex TV. So Semiflex TV, and then you come to Google and search for social blade. Social blade. So social blade, this one. So I already opened the site. So you just paste in the name into the search, or maybe you can paste it here. So here you can even sort either Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, or maybe Twitter, or Daily Motion, or maybe there's more options here. Basically, there's more options here, so you can choose from any of this. If it is there, you copy the link. So what this site give you, it give you proof that the actual account, or maybe the actual account you want to find information for. So either it's on Facebook, on his Facebook, his Twitter, or maybe his Instagram, or maybe his YouTube. So today we are searching for his YouTube channel, and this is the name on YouTube. So you just click search. So you click search to now fetch it for you. So just a moment, and it's loaded. So Semiflex TV. I'm not sure if this is the channel. So Semiflex TV, this is it. So I'll just click on it. So if you click on it, you see more information about his channel. And his channel is actually making what do you call it, 100 $139 to $2,000 per month estimately. That's according to Social Blade. According to Social Blade, is making $139 to $2,200 estimately a month. That's his estimated earning monthly. Sometimes he even make more. So I'm not sure. Sometimes social media is not accurate, or maybe like can be if you are a YouTuber, you know how these things works. You might know social blade doesn't give you the accurate figure, but it's almost there. So approximately, if you give him like $1,500 a month, so $1,500 a month, that's what he's making uh, approximately in a month. So maybe in a year he make 1,700 or 1,700 to 2,700 to 26,700. So that's what they are estimating him in a year, what he's making yearly. So if you come here, you see daily views, daily the videos, the amount he's making daily, and the views. So when okay, so looking from the history here, so you can see he make $10 from $10 to $100. That's the highly the maximum amount that he has made on this channel. That's from 2 weeks span, or maybe like I think it's 2 weeks. So it's 2 weeks. So averagely he make maximum he make like $10 to 150 or $166. So 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 maximum amount that you make will be like, let's say, maybe more than $50 a day. So looking from all this, I would say you make more than $50 a day averagely. So averagely you make more than $50 a day averagely. Sometimes it's more and sometimes it's less than 50. Yeah, sometimes it's more and sometimes it's more than 50. Sometimes it's more than 50 and sometimes it's around $50. So you can see it's around $62. Here is around $83 and here is $57 and here is 61. So he even made $36 for this video. Uh, for this video. So as you can see, so this cool way is to check. So this is a proof that you can make money with YouTube. That's what social blade give you. So when it comes to making this kind of videos, it's very simple to do. For his video, I can say it's a bit what do you call it, difficult to do this kind of video. But I know a guy on YouTube. His name is this guy. So let me search for his channel name on YouTube. Maybe you've seen his video before. So this guy, his name is Antamoti Live. Antamoti Live. I don't know if I pronounced it right. So we search for his own too. So just put it here. Click the channel to see. So as you can see, it's making 461 to $7,000 a month. That's according to Social Blade. This earning, bear in mind that it might not be up to this amount, or it might be more than this amount. They are just estimating. So we make 5k to 5k to 88,000k a year. So that's according to Social Blade. This amount they are just estimating. So it might be less or it might be like more. We don't know, but like they are just what do you call it, estimating. So if you come down, you see his channel history for about 2 weeks. So you can see averagely you make like more than $100. So from $9 to 14 $146. So $146 is above $200, a bit above $200. So as you can see, he made approximately $100 a day just from his channel, and this is by Social Blade. So if you want to make this kind of video, it's very simple to do. I'll show you a cool trick how to do. You just come online and then go to some site like Instagram. So if you have Instagram on your phone, you can check this out to see. So if you go to Instagram, so you go to the Explorer. So if you go to Instagram, you go to Instagram. So if you go to Instagram, you go to the Explorer. I'm not sure if I can find what I'm looking for, but I want to show you something cool with Instagram that you can do it too. You can use it to make money in Ghana too. It's not giving me what I'm looking for right here, but okay, let me click on this picture. Maybe I'll find pictures like this. Okay, this actually works different. I thought I could show you how it works here. It's basically going to Instagram and look on the Explorer. You see a couple of videos trending or maybe pictures, and it's actually a story or something like that. So something like a story about what is trending. Like I can see what is trending right now will be like some funny stuff, something like Shakabam or maybe uh, you know what is trending, something trending, something that people would like to watch. So you just make video about some like some videos like this one. So you just copy this video, and some video do have this what do you call it, logo or maybe like this branded on it. So you just copy it, and then uh, you go to YouTube and put them together and go to YouTube. Put a nice what do you call it? A nice title and give it a nice thumbnail too. So you can see his videos is about Shatabando, uh, what do you call it? Patapa, Ifya Schwarzenegger performance. You see, it's basically about things that is trendy. So if you go to more videos, you see Shatawale about the award that just went on over the weekend. So you can see those videos that we see on online every day. Like it's not something new that you cannot find. If you are online all the time, you know what I'm talking about. So you just come and what do you call it? Download this video off of Instagram or maybe wherever you find them. Put them together and put a nice thumbnail. Make it something that you yourself would like to watch. So something like this one, Shatabando talking, or maybe something like this one. Yeah, you see. So I know that you understand what I'm saying. So you just put them together and make a nice video, and also you can make a nice thumbnail for it. And then after you make a video, you upload it to YouTube. So I'll just actually click a video and show you what I'm talking about. So after you make a video, you upload it to YouTube, you should put a nice title. So that's the title of the video. The title of the video should be nice, and then you should put something. You should actually you can just come and copy what these guys are doing. So the description should be longer, and then you should put tags like this one, like what he has done here. So we put tags for our. You can basically copy his style. So you copy all his style. You copy tags like this one, and then put it. There will be a place that you put the tags and then the title, and then put a nice thumbnail. So after that, you just go to you just share it with your friends. After sharing it with your friends, it will get what time, and YouTube will start to recommend it to people. So people who search for this kind of tags here. So the tags here, people who search of who watch this kind of videos, and people who watch this channel or channels like this. So if you make search for if you go to YouTube and search for channels again. I'm sorry for making this video long, but you can see I'm trying to show you something right here. So if you go to YouTube and filter channels and search and make a search and filter channels, you find his channel alone, or maybe like if it were to be like a channel. Uh, I'm trying to show you something right here, but like okay, let me search it this way. Maybe you'll get what I'm trying to say. Go to YouTube and home, and then go to trending. So channels like this, I know that there are channels like this. So maybe okay, something like this comedy, Mackenzie comedy. So if you search for comedy, so comedy. So if you search for comedy, so as you can see, Mackenzie comedy pop up. So there are so many channels doing videos like this. So basically, they are taking uh, this one in particular. They are taking all videos and then they are putting them together. So what you can do is to come and filter channels. So if you filter channels, you'll find them. So what you can do for the what do you call it? This one that I show you is that you can go to YouTube and search for channels like that. So channels like his channel, this kind of channel. I don't actually know this guy in person, but I'm trying to show you how this works. So if you are interested and you put more work in, you can do it too. So if you search for his channel type and then you monitor them, you see what kind of videos they are doing. And with time, if you learn, you can do it too. So as you have seen the video, what do you think about it? Do you think you can do it? Leave a comment below in the video. Tell me if you can do it. And also share with your friends because this is a cool way to do it, to make money online. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.